Apple MacBook Pro model A1502 screen replacement. Guys, you will see that screen crack, complete patch over here. You will see screen complete damage. So we are going to replace this screen. This was a damaged screen. What is you are seeing? This was a crack. Okay. Apple MacBook Pro A1502. Yeah, you will see the replacement process for this one. So we have to open backdoor screws completely first, and particularly you have to use different screwdriver for the Apple Mac series completely. So you have to open entire backdoor screws. Yes, so you can see that backdoor process. So we have to open entire screws, which is backside, and you will see that this was a screen connector, and this was a Wi-Fi antennas. Yeah, you can see the replacement process. So carefully you have to remove the hinge screws, which is connect to the body. So carefully you have to remove the body screws, and carefully remove the cables. Yeah, screen cables. And this was a Wi-Fi antennas. What you are seeing, Wi-Fi antenna cable also carefully remove. Yes, and this side you have to remove the screen cable which is connected to the motherboard. So carefully you have to remove the cable also. Yes. Okay, gently you have to open from the back side and remove the carefully which is touchpad complete body with motherboard. It will be separate after remove the screws. So one more screw is left. And this side also one more screw is left. So it's inside the base pad. Okay, and one more it's a hinges clips which is given for the protection side for the base pad. Yeah, successfully we have removed the base panel, and this was the only single screen you can see. Okay, so this was a damaged screen what you are seeing. Yeah, guys, you can see the new screen which is going to be replaced for that MacBook Pro A1502. It's a brand new screen, and we have this complete screens available with us. Actually, it's a very difficult process and very simple process to replace the entire screen display assembly, but you must be careful on a replacement time. You can see my technician gently cleaning the dust which is on motherboard and battery and fan, CPU fan. So you can see the cleaning process also. Yeah, it's a replacement process. new screen we are going to replace for this model.